Hi, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the unit as activation devices in Unit 4. The topic today we are going to deal as a digital energy meter. So before entering into digital energy meter, we are going to discuss about what is activation devices and where it is used and what are all the types of activation devices used in IoT. And the outline of today's topic is introduction, basic working principle of digital energy meter, and the block diagram explanation of digital energy meter with the components used, and features of digital energy meters, advantages over analog meters, and applications. So now we are going to discuss about what is activation devices. We all know that activation devices which are used to activate the signal, and it is defined as it converts a signal into an action. If we consider an electrical or electronics engineering, the activation devices which is used to initiate the process or control the process of the circuit or system. If we consider in mechanical engineering oriented means the activation devices which are used as a valves, these are used to control the motion of the particular system. If it is an assisting technology, the activation devices which uses a eye detector and smart wearable devices. If it is an eye detector is used to detect and activate the eye function based on their signal movement. And the key components which are used in activation devices are the major components are sensors, processor, actuators, power source, relays, power controls, and so many components are available. If it is, for example, if it is a sensor means it is used to measure the input and inputs in the environment, and the input is produced to the activation devices. And the signal types which are used in the activation devices, it may be an input signal or an output signal. The signals mostly used as electrical, mechanical, thermal, optical, and chemical signals are used. Examples of activation devices are switches, relays, valves, and triggers. And now consider an example. Mr. Alex has vehicle with some small parcel to calculate the weight of all. So in this images, the A image consider it is a small weight machine, it is a digital weight machine. And the second B option is it is used to measure up to 100 or 200 kgs. And the third one we all well know that it is a weight bridge. It is used to measure the thousands of tons in heavy weight. So in our example, Alex has vehicle and with some small parcels. So it is used to measure the vehicle weight by using weight bridge, and the small parcel is used to measure the small digital meter. So from this example, our digital meters give a best suitable weights without measuring an error. Now let us go for an energy meter. We know that energy meter which is used to measure the electrical energy which is consumed in our homes and industries. We know that the basic unit of power is watts, and it is used to measure the how much amount of power utilized in our home. And we know that 1000 watts it is in 1 kilowatt, and 1 kilowatt power is consumed in 1 hour duration, then it is converted into 1 unit of energy. So energy meters are calculate the how much amount of energy used over a particular interval of time. And digital energy meter, the digital energy meter working principle operates by continuously measuring the instantaneous voltage, current, and it is integrated over a period of time. So the meters are smaller devices. It means it is connected directly line in between the source and the customer. If it is a larger loads, I mean it is a more than 200 amperes of load means we are using current transformers for measuring the how much amount of energy utilized in the industry. And the digital energy meter is classified into two types. One is the electromechanical meters and another is the electronic meter. And based on that, the construction of digital energy meter, it includes the voltage sensor, current sensor, signal conditioner, peak controller and digital meter and the communication port. Here the voltage sensor is used to measure the how much amount of voltage is used in the power lines, and the current sensor is used to measure the amount of current utilized in it, and these two are multiplied in the signal conditioner unit, and it is here the error or noise signal is reduced, and the peak processor is used to process the values, and the digital meter is used to display the values of how much amount of voltage, current and etc. And this is in communication port. Now let us see the inside image of the electronic meter in digital energy meter. It includes the phase, neutral, phase 1 and the power measurement. We know that it is a voltage transformer, current transformer, and this is used to display the LCD display, which is used to detect the on-off condition. And here we know that the serial communication port and the LED display. So this is a digital energy meter. If we compare the digital energy meter with analog energy meter, means the digital energy meter produces a 0.01% error, and analog meters it produces a 0.05% error, and the digital energy meter is easy to measure in everyday every time to time or human everyday life, and it will give a accurate value for energy measurement. These are the references. Thank you.